Review Palace, the go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're delving into the world of vehicle security with our 15 picks for the best dashcams available on Amazon. Whether you're looking for dual-facing HD cameras, GPS support, or tiny yet powerful options, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. First up on our list is the Ring Car Cam. This powerhouse brings dual-facing HD cameras, live view, two-way talk, and disturbance detection to the table. Stay tuned to find out why the Ring Car Cam is the ultimate choice for vehicle security. Next, we have the Kingslam D5 4K dashcam, a front dash camera for cars that packs a punch with 4K resolution, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS, Sony night vision, and support for up to 256 gigabytes. Stick around to discover why the Kingslam D5 4K is a game changer for your driving experience. Now, let's talk about the Garmin DashCam Mini 2. Despite its tiny size, it offers 1080p recording, a wide 140-degree field of view, and innovative connective features. Find out more about why the Garmin Mini 2 is making waves in the dashcam market. Moving on, we have the Viofo T133 channel dashcam UBR. With 3 channels, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 1440p resolution, IR night vision, and a 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam is a comprehensive solution for your vehicle. Stay tuned to explore the advanced features of the Viofo T133. We have the Transcen Drive Pro 250 TS. Known for its reliability and quality, Transcen brings a solid dashcam option to the table. Stick around to find out why the Drive Pro 250 is a trusted choice among drivers. Next, we have the Cobra Smart DashCam SC400, offering UHD 4K resolution, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, Alexa integration, live police alerts, and the Drive Smarter app. This dashcam is a powerhouse of features. Stick around to explore how the SC400 is transforming the way we approach vehicle safety. Next in line is the Transcen Drive Pro 550 dual-camera dashcam. With full HD 1080p resolution, Sony Starvis technology, Wi-Fi, GPS, a built-in battery, and a solid 2-year warranty, this dashcam from Taiwan is making waves. Stay tuned to discover why the Drive Pro 550 is a top choice for drivers seeking reliability and performance. Now let's talk about the Whistler D28 RS dashcam. Packed with features like built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, a 1.2-inch LCD screen, G-sensor, loop recording, parking monitor, and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, this dashcam is a compact powerhouse. Find out more about what makes the Whistler D28 RS a reliable choice for capturing every moment on the road. Moving on, we have the AIIVVO View Smart Dashcam. With 1600p HD resolution, seamless integration with Alexa voice assistant, mobile app support, collision detection, loop recording, and GPS tracking, the AIIVVO View is all about enhancing your driving experience. Stay tuned to explore how AIIVVO is redefining the smart dashcam game. We have the Pioneer VOEC with 4K Ultra HD recording, dual-channel capability, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems. This dashcam from Pioneer is a high-tech companion for your journeys. Stick around to uncover why the VOEC is a pioneer in the world of smart dashcams. The Pile DashCam car recorder, boasting a front and rear view camera, a 7-inch monitor, HD 1080p DVR video, picture-in-picture, night vision, and audio record capabilities. This DashCam is a comprehensive security solution for your vehicle. Stay tuned to learn more about why the Pile DashCam is a top choice for those seeking a complete recording package. Next up, we have the Cobra Smart DashCam, specifically designed for the front of your car. Featuring 1080p Full HD, 4x zoom, a 5-megapixel camera, LED night vision, automatic motion detection, and a convenient DVR box with suction mount. This DashCam offers a sleek and powerful solution for capturing your drives. Stick around to discover what makes the Cobra DashCam stand out. Now let's talk about the next base 522G Wi-Fi DashCam. With features like 1440p HD recording, HD IPS touchscreen, a built-in polarizing filter, emergency SOS response, and Alexa-enabled capabilities, this DashCam takes technology to the next level. Stay tuned to explore the innovative features that set the next base 522G apart. Moving on, we have the Viofo CL6001 with its magnetic mount and panoramic view, offering 1080p Full HD recording, Wi-Fi, GPS, loop video recording, impact detection, and a versatile 360-degree rotation. This DashCam is all about providing a comprehensive perspective. Stay tuned to discover why the Viofo CL6001 is making waves in the DashCam market. Last but not least, we have the McNally DashCam 100. Sporting a sleek design and a compact 1.5-inch size, this DashCam is ready to capture your journeys. Stick around to find out more about the features that make the DashCam 100 a reliable and stylish choice. And there you have it, folks, our 15 picks for the best DashCams available on Amazon. Each of these cameras brings unique features to the forefront, catering to different needs. Check the links in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, drive safe.